Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and I have a super duper deal on paper for you this week over at Walgreens, and it's really great. Definitely worth a stock up price and definitely worth doing. We're going to look at the deal in store, we're going to look at the deal curbside, two different ways to do it. And if you're dealing with a really bad snowstorm, it's been going around since Monday. If you're snowed in or they're like, don't drive on the roads, definitely the curbside videos are the way to go. I made one also on Monday, and a big thumbs up to being safe on the roads when it starts getting really snowy and just bad visibility. I think a lot of states are dealing with this right now. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is in store. If you order a 4x6 print, this one costed me like 41 cents. I went to the store, went to the photo counter. I asked, is the Catalina machine working? The cashier said yes. I paid 41 cents, and at the very end, this guy printed, which is a 5 back when you spend 15, and this is a paper Catalina. Only one of these will print per photo order. So if you're going to try and get a couple different transactions, and this guy printed 5 back when you spend 15. So what I'm going to do is look for 4 of the Walgreens brand paper, either the toilet paper or paper towel that is priced at $3.99. In store, remember we're in store. We're going to be grabbing 4 of these paper towels, or a mix and match of paper towels and toilet paper, for $15.96. They are $3.99 each. So you punch in your phone number, cashier scans the 4, and then you present that booster. The cashier will scan it for you. You're going to pay $15.96 with your debit card or cash, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $10.96 for the 4, or $2.74 per pack of paper. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. However, if you might have a register reward floating around and you wish to use it, by all means use your register rewards to get your out of pocket a lot less, and make sure they're manufacturer register rewards. Now, the remaining of the deals I'm going to show you are curbside. And what a curbside offer is, you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, through your phone, computer, or tablet. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, and then paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup for all the new shoppers. Okay, so deal number 1, and remember we're doing this curbside class, is we are going to be grabbing 3 of the paper towels and 3 of the toilet papers. Now, these paper towels are a 6 count, so compared to the Scott that's a 4 count, you are getting a lot more paper towel with the Walgreens brand. And I think this is very similar to like that Angel Soft line that they sell, whatever it is, Georgia Pacific. Very similar. So $3.99, $11.97 for 3 of these. And then we're going to also toss in 3 of the toilet papers. And these are very comparable to Angel Soft, the 9-pack that they used to sell, and another $11.97 for 3 of these. Now, alternatively, if you wanted to get 4 and 2, or like 6 of just the toilet paper, hey, you do whatever you want, but I'm just showing this for this quick little matchup, just 3 of each. And I also recommend, if you're going to really get a lot of paper, go to the store right away, so it's not just like living in, on that counter of the photo counter, because paper stuff really takes up a lot of room. So using the promotion code WAG10, you're saving an extra $2.39. Unfortunately, for the in-store deals, you can't use these coupon codes, but you can do it curbside. So that's the advantageous thing about staying home and couponing. So the overall total for this basket is $23.94. WAG10 taking another $2.39 off, free curbside pickup, $1.29 in tax. So the total here is $22.84. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.84, I think that's a really smart move. And it's just a way to get some cheaper paper towel, and I think it's like $3.59 per unit, which is really good. Now, the second deal we're going to look at is doing it curbside as well, but a little bit smaller. So for this basket, we're just going with 3. And if you have dogs or cats, you probably use quite a bit of paper towel like yours truly. So 3 of them is $11.97. And I love that price point of $3.99 for these paper products, because when you're cleaning up certain accidents, this stuff works really great. Using that coupon or the discount code WAG10, an extra $1.20 off. So not too shabby there. And looking at this, guys, the total is $11.97 for your basket, an additional $1.20 melting off, free curbside pickup, and your tax is 65 cents. So the total here is $11.42. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.42 and call this a super smart basket. Stock up on your paper products, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.